Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. I love it when it's something that's so easy and can figure it out. If he takes this and makes it red, it makes the inside of the heart red and the other stuff white, which there is no fill. So if we take like a blue box, go up to object, order back a page, you can see that this has red fill, this has the whole heart is filled in. So his question was, how can he fill in these spots without painstakingly taking the Smart Fill tool and filling in these spots with red? Because that would be a lot. That's a pretty good chunk. But instead of having to do all that, my suggestion is to go up to object and break the curve apart, get this outside line and nudge it over. Then this becomes an object. It's 53 objects, but we can color them in with red. Right click and take away the outline. Now, if you wanted a red line around it, make that line red, make it a little bit thicker so it'll show up, and then move it back. In just a couple of clicks of the mouse, you filled in all those reds without having to do them individually. Anyway, I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.